I am here in Florida today at my client's beautiful home on the water, where we are going to talk about how I decorated her wonderful little small guest room and how we made it into a warm, inviting space. I wanted to do a feminine room for my client, and I thought, what better than a garden look? I found this wallpaper mural, which is a growing garden, and it is full of just all the colors you would see in a live garden. There are several things about this bed that I love. One, we were able to get a little bit of wood. I love that it's a shelter style where it wraps around and kind of envelopes the guest as they're sleeping in it. I chose these beautiful mirrored nightstands reflecting just the things that are around it, so it's like they're there but they're not there, and yet they add a little bit of glam to the room. This particular room was such a delight to design. It ended up being one of my client's favorite rooms in the house.